Hello students, now today we will see starters. We have to study what are starters and what is the necessity of starters in DC motor. Now see, as I have told you earlier, we have to remember the formula of EB, that is back EMF. What is back EMF? EB is equal to P phi Zn upon 60 into A. Call it as suppose equation number 1. And also we know that EB is equal to V minus IA RA. So from this equation we can say that IA is equal to V minus EB upon RA. Called it as equation number 2 suppose. Okay. Now from equation 1 we can say that EB is proportional to speed. Okay, EB is proportional to speed. ठीक है कि नहीं? Now at starting means जब आपण मोटर स्टार्ट केली, when we start the motor, what is the speed of the motor? The speed of the motor will be 0. Okay, since from this equation we can say that when speed is 0, your EB will also be 0. Okay, now put this in equation number 2. N is equal to 0 and EB is equal to 0. Put in equation number 2. We will have IA is equal to V minus 0 divided by RA. Okay, therefore IA is equal to V by RA. Now this equation suggests, what this equation suggests? This equation suggests that when your RA will decrease, your I will increase. When your I will increase, your I will decrease. We can see how. Now assume, suppose we are going to start a motor with a voltage of 230 volt. Okay, and the resistance of the armature or the motor armature can say 0.06 ohm. Okay, now put these two values in this equation. We will get IA is equal to 230 divided by 0.06. After calculating, we will get 3883 amperes. See, this current will be very high at starting. What is this current? Armature current, or we can say that starting current. Okay, which is very considerably high, and this can burn the brushes, and after burning the brushes it will burn the windings of the motor and the motor will get harms. So for this purpose we have to minimize this current at starting. Now how can we minimize? We can minimize this current by introducing a resistance. Introducing resistance means we have to connect a quantity, a special quantity of resistance in series with the armature to limit this current. That is starting current. Okay, now so for minimizing current, this starting current a resistance is connected in series with armature. Alright, so this is what we called as a stator. So what is the definition of stator in one line? Stator is the small quantity of resistance connected in series with the armature to minimize the starting current. Okay, now if we connect this resistance in series with the armature, that is armature resistance RA, but we don't have to keep the resistance up till the motor starts. When the motor starts, we will add this resistance, and as long as the motor will gain the speed, we have to disconnect the resistance. See how. We have to connect this resistance in series with RA till IA decreases. Okay. Now we have seen condition at starting. Now when the motor gains speed, okay, when the motor gains speed, when speed increases, what will happen? EB will also increase. How can I say this? Because we know that EBN is proportional to EB. From this equation, when motor increases, when motor speed increases, your EB will also increase, since N is proportional to EB. Now what will happen to this equation? IA is equal to V minus EB divided by RA. Okay, N is proportional to EB. ठीक है ना? When EB will increase, your speed will also increase. Now when we are going to add this resistance, okay, so when EB will increase, since it is inversely proportional to IA, see this is minus sign. As I told earlier, when speed increases, EB will also increase. When EB increase, since it is inversely proportional to IA, your IA will decrease. Hence, we can conclude that at starting, current will be high, and when motor gains speed, current will decrease. Hence, we require the starters. Okay? Hence, starters are necessary. So, question may be asked, what are starters? So, starters definition already सांगितले मी तुम्हाला. What is starters? Starters are small resistance connected in series with the armature resistance or armature winding to minimize the starting current. Second question may be asked, prove that or explain what are starters, how we can minimize the starting current. So this is the explanation. I hope you have understand it. I will provide you the notes later. Okay.